I told my wife when I first got it that I wasn't gonna mod the truck. I find that hard to believe now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Glad you actually clicked on this video. As you guys know, I am the anti-vlogger vlogger.
I'm sorry, what are you talking about?
But I'm at Sound Evolution, and you know when I'm at Sound Evolution, it's probably truck content, and it is. So I've done some work on Big Dummy. Shout out to Joe and the guys at Tire 59. They did a whole bunch of stuff, and I go through these moods where like, I don't really feel like making a video of it. I just do some things for myself. But we switched up Big Dummy a little bit. If you follow me on Instagram, I actually made a page for Big Dummy because Joe said, hey, I think Big Dummy deserves his own page. I keep saying Big Dummy. That's what I call my Ram at 2500 if you didn't know. It's a Cummins if you haven't seen it. I love this truck, but we just added new wheels. As a matter of fact, we partnered with Fittipaldi Forged. They have a new off-road line. I think this is just as new as this year that they started making these wheels. And we went with a 24x14 wrapped with Venom Power tires. These Venom Powers trigger a lot of truck guys. I used to have a 35-inch, and these are 33-inch tires. And a lot of truck guys call this a mall crawler, a pavement princess, and I understand all that, but I never off-road my truck. And actually having, you know, we got this $400,000 truck next to Big Dummy. They're running Venom Power 2, running a 42/30. The reason why I went with the Venom Power specifically is I wanted a road tire. I had a hybrid tire before, and once it starts wearing, you start to get that road noise. These tires are dead silent. I can actually have a business call in my truck and nobody knows I'm driving because I don't have that road noise. Now, something else I did after I got the wheels done, I said, man, I want to change up the suspension. So we did. Hopefully I can find some footage of the old Ready Lift suspension that I had, but there was a spacer here and then the factory spring. But now we went full coils, and as you can see, we powder coated gold because I love gold. Same thing on the back. 5th gen Rams, you have a coil spring in the back too, which I think looks so cool, tucked away back there. Now with all the end links, all that stuff done in gold, sway bars done in gold. And as soon as we got that done, Joe and I got that done, we realized there's a few other things we can do in gold. So we're gonna actually do the hitch. I love this hitch, by the way. But we're powder coating that gold. We're gonna do the tow hooks. And I ordered a Banks Power pumpkin cover. And that is going on probably next week. That's also gonna be in gold. And I don't wanna go OD. It's all gonna be just like little small things to keep the truck tasteful. Still has to be good for field service. You know, I do a ministry, so it still has to be modest, but it looks really, really good. And you might say, well, I'm talking about Joe. It's all Tire 59, everything that they did to the truck, the wheels, the tires, the suspension, the powder coating. But why are we at Sound Evolution? Why are we here talking to the boys? Huh. Now that I have the suspension, I had to do lights. We did 24 as bright as you can get rock lights. All white, so at night when we pull up and we go to shows, Big Dummy's gonna be lit up.
You big dummy, you big dummy, you big dummy, you big cold-blooded dummy, you big dummy, see what you did? Oh no, you big dummy, oh no, you big dummy, you dummy!
And the similar lights that we did, they did the lights actually for the interior on the BMW. And I never made a video for that, but I think you can see it, and I'll put some pictures in of what it looks like. But I don't think we're done. I think we're talking to them about upgrading the sound system. And me and my daughter looked today. That is the second most popular video on the channel, us kind of doing, you know, the build of the sound system. I think I got a little bit better at vlogging since then. If I can find time when they redo it, we'll show you each piece of the build. We're gonna do the interior speakers, and I think we're gonna go with 315s. Well, I hope you guys like this video. We're gonna cut to nighttime so y'all can see what this looks like lit up. I saw pictures of it. I'm picking up in the daytime. I just came pick it up, so I haven't seen it lit up. But the pictures they showed me in the shop, it looks exactly like we expect it to. absolutely insane. So anyway, we'll see you guys at nighttime. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're recording at night, something I've never done before, so I don't know how this is gonna look, how it's gonna turn out. I turned my ISO up. I actually recorded this one time, so you creators know I'm still a rookie with the camera stuff. I'm like, why is it so dark? Anyway, I'm not gonna stink you guys any longer. Here's the truck. It looks like an absolute spaceship. Joe at Tire 59 and the boys did a really good job. The Sound Evolution and Jesh, those guys, they brought it across the goal line. The truck, it looks like a spaceship. So cool with the lights. We won't run them on the highway because, as you guys may know, it's actually illegal to do that. But in parking lots and stuff like that, pulling up at shows, we will definitely have it lit up, and on our camping trips. And one of the things I wanted to show you guys, my overhead lights, as you can see, my mirror lights are also white. It looks so cool to me. Obviously, it looks cool to me because I did it. Let me show you guys some rollers. My daughter's in the car. Let's show it to them rolling. Let's show you guys some rollers so you can see what the truck looks like. And before she pulls off, just the suspension, the way it's lit up now. Oh, that just looks so cool to me. Hopefully, when we pull up in shows, Big Dummy will actually show just as well as the 240 and the BMW. I'm a full-blown Texas guy now. Like, this is the Texas truck, the Texas build all the way. This is my truck is still not as high as those guys, and I'm running, a street tire, but it looks so cool. Okay, that's enough for me. It's brief, little quick night vlog, because I was excited to show you guys what I did to the truck, even though I wasn't gonna vlog it originally. One thing I wanted to say is thank you for the support. Had a little sabbatical. I needed a break. As you guys know, I had to focus on some other stuff, but I'm back. And it's not obvious, as you can see, that I'm not doing car stuff, because I'm still doing car stuff. I'm just gonna give you guys some more videos. So there's other things that we're about to do to the truck that I think will look cool, and you guys will like to see short videos like this, probably 5 to 8 minutes long. And then we're gonna move on from truck content to the 240, because we're doing an insane engine build on a 240. Finally have a builder. Shout out to Mike. Thanks for pointing me to Dave. And we're doing a K-AT. I'm not gonna say any more. Don't wanna say too much. It's gonna take a while to put together, but when it's put together, it's gonna be next level. I appreciate you guys, man. Look forward to that content. And believe it or not, the podcast is coming back. We're planning for guests right now. Same style, little different though. I learned a lot in the first season. Thank you for the support on that. And look forward to that coming in the next month or so. I appreciate you guys, appreciate you watching. If you like truck content, like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.